Welcome to the Mythical Forest with Dee Dee and Boris, and today we have a mess in the garden. We're getting ready for summer and we're late as can be. It's already July 4th, 3rd, and we're trying to get these things ready. I was very late getting my seedlings and stuff started. Those are still good from last year. Boris is preparing the pots because we added more vegetables and stuff this year, and so we had to go get in more pots. I had to make more handles. Y'all check out my video on how to make these handles, and check out my video on how to make these plant protectors. But right now we're preparing the pots, and we're adding perlite to keep the dirt from compacting. And this is the type of soil that I like to use. Raised bed potting mix by Kellogg. It's a pretty good price, and I like it because it is organic and it's good for raised bed. And I reuse these bags for all sorts of things in the garden, so I don't throw those away either. Try to reuse everything that we can. So Boris is mixing extra perlite up, and the reason he's doing that, it does come with perlite in it, but because we're going to put compost and worm castings, we need that extra perlite. So that's what we're doing. This is going to be watermelons and cannabis and onions. Oh, and some sweet potatoes. But mainly watermelon and cannabis. And let's hope. Hopefully when I plant these, nothing bad happens to them. So we're just getting everything kind of prepared. We had to get some more stakes so that they go in these empty ones. And Buster's out here causing a ruckus. He thinks he's helping, but he's not. He's causing a ruckus. Aren't you, Buster? Sit. Sit.
Sit.
Sit. He listens really well, doesn't he? When he wants to.
Yeah.
Buster, sit. Oh, now he's already sitting. I'm just kidding, y'all. Okay, so over here in the other part of the garden,
I checked
here he
the
comes.
chickens.
Oh,
wow.
See, he runs past you and he cuts your leg with that bone.
Yeah. It's
Like,
ooh,
so
no,
this is some.
He's literally Blade Runner.
This is he's Blade Runner. All right. This is lettuce going to seed. Romaine lettuce, so I'm really excited. I'm hoping we'll get a bunch of seeds started, and that'll start growing in the winter. And that's our sweet potatoes. I had to cover them because the rats were literally going in and digging the potatoes out. And I don't even know what this is, but this is what the chickens love. Anyway, we got baby chickens. We got baby chickens that hatched. Y'all go watch that video. And Boris is worn out. We have to do our gardening now at 7 and 8 o'clock at night because it's just too hot to do it during the day. And he gets up at 5 in the morning and does the watering. So got these stakes. These, you guys, are ridiculous. These things cost $5 a piece at Home Depot, and they're 99 cents each at this place called Grocery Outlet. So if y'all can find them cheap, I highly recommend. You can use bamboo also. You can use sticks from your yard. We have some, but some of our sticks like this, they're too some of them are crooked. These are small enough that they're not crooked. But y'all watch that video on how to do that. And I think I'm going to end this video short. I just wanted to give an update of the garden and what we're doing to get everything ready. And this year I might paint faces on all of them, but I have the face on this one. You see that? I might put faces on all of them this year. Y'all watch that video if I do it. Let's see if he'll sit when I tell him now. He will if I touch his bone. Sit. Sit. Good boy. He lays down. I said sit, not lay down. Are you a good boy? Let me have your bone. Okay. Okay. All right, you guys, I hope you have a beautiful day. Thanks for watching. If you have not liked and subscribed already, we hope that you do that now. And we appreciate anyone who's already subscribed. And God bless everyone. Oh, look, ginger and turmeric. Say bye.
Bye. Mwah, au revoir.